Now let's we resume our exercise 1C from question number 6. In question number 6, it said find the additive inverse of each of the following. Additive inverse. The question number 1 by 3. As we know, additive inverse of this number is minus 1 by 3. When the given rational number is in positive number, it makes in negative integers. This one is called the additive inverse of it. All these questions you can do so. Here in one question number 10, minus 8 by minus 7. Here both have the negative integer, negative sign. So minus 8 by minus 7, the sign will be cancelled and it becomes 8 by 7. The additive inverse of these numbers are minus 8 by 7. Minus 8 by minus 7, the additive inverse of this number is minus 8 by 7. In question number 7, subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. When we read the questions, subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3, then 1 by 3 will be written first and then here minus sign. After that 3 by 4 will be written. Take the LCM of 3 and 4. We will obtain 12. Again 1 into 3 4 ja and minus 4 3 into 4 3 ja 4 minus 9 by 12. Here the answer is minus 5 by 12. This one the answer of it. Using the rearranging properties and find the sum. In question number 8. Four by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus minus 11 by 5. What we have seen in this question, 3 is here and this one 3. Again 5 and 5. So it is better for us 4 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 again plus 3 by 5 plus minus 11 by 5. Here if we arrange it in this process, here the LCM, the denominator, both denominators are same, so the LCM will be the same. Again 5 and 5 both denominator are same, then the LCM will be same. 3 4 plus minus minus 2 plus 5 3 minus 11. 2 by 3 plus minus 8 by 5. Here 2 by 3 minus 8 by 5. Take the LCM of these numbers 3 and 5. The LCM of these numbers are 15. 2 into 3 5 ja and 8 into 5 3 ja. 10 minus 24 by 15. Here minus 14 by 15. This one the answer of the related question. Now hope till question number 8 you will be do. Question number 9. The sum of two rational number is minus 2. If one of the number is minus 14 by 5, find the other. Let the other number, here you may write the let the required number be x. The given number is minus 14 by 5 plus x is equal to minus 2. This one our equation, and we can easily solve these questions. Find the value of x, then the value of x is our answer. X is equal to minus 2 minus 14 by 5. When it transposes to the other side, it becomes plus 14 by 5. As we know, in the place of 2, 1 is laying as the place of a denominator here. So 1 and 5, LCM of 1 and 5, 5 is here. 2 5 are 10 and 14. So the answer is 4 by 5. This one the answer. Very simple. Next question. Question number 10. The sum of two rational number is minus 1 by 2. If one of the number is 5 by 6, find the other. Here I will write only the equation and you will do on the by the same process. Let the other number be x. So the given number is 5 by 6 plus x is equal to minus 1 by 2. The sum of here, the sum of 5 by 6 plus x is equal to minus 1 by 2. And you will solve these questions by your own level, and wherever you have a problem, so that time you will write the problem in comment box. I will explain all these questions as your requirement. In question number 11, what number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? The equation will be written here. Let the required number or let the other number, what should be added? Let the required number be x. According to question, minus 5 by 8 plus x is equal to minus 3 by 2. And from here, you will find the value of x. In question number 12, what number should be added to minus 1 so as to get 5 by 7? Like the same, let the required number be x. According to question, minus 1 plus x is equal to 5 by 7. Find the value of x, you will get your answer. You will solve all these questions. And the question number 13, what number should be subtracted? Here, what number should be subtracted minus 2 by 3 to get minus 1 by 6? Let the required number be x. So, according to question, minus 2 by 3 minus x is equal to minus 1 by 6. Very simple. If x will be transposed there and minus 1 by 6 will be transposed here, both signs will be changed. Minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 is equal to x, or x is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. And from here you will do. Hope try to do by your own level best. Wherever you have a problem, I will solve all questions, but don't hamper your own creativity. Okay. Now question number 14. Which rational number is its own additive inverse? All these objective questions have given. So my, my suggestions, try to your own level best, and thus the chapter is completed. Wherever you have a problem, so you will write it in the comment box. I will see the comment, and the next video I will solve all the problems. Thank you.